Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve a Google Drive error message that was unable to process this video, and this says try one of the apps below to open or edit this item. Guys, first thing I recommend to ensure that you have an active in solid internet connection. If the internet connection is not really good, that could be a part of issue. Let's fix that, guys. Go to Chrome browser, go to three dot icon over here, click on it and click on more tools, and you want to go to clear browsing data, click on it. Now we want to clear browsing data, clear cookies and cache and more. You want to click on it and you want to enable all this check mark, and you want to click all time to change this to all time, and you want to clear data, close out of here, relaunch the Chrome. Is the problem resolved, guys? If it not resolved, and you need to disable the interfacing with Google Drive extensions. Go to three dot icon over here and go to more tools and want to click on extensions. You want to disable it, anything interfacing with Google Drive. Want to disable it, guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful, guys. Thanks for watching my video.